Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating history of Brunswick and Lüneburg. These two cities in Germany have a rich and intertwined history that stretches back centuries. Let's begin our journey in Brunswick, a city known for its medieval architecture and charming old town. Founded in the 9th century, Brunswick became an important trading center in the Middle Ages. Its strategic location on the trade routes between Hanseatic cities brought wealth and prosperity. In the 12th century, Brunswick became a center of power under Henry the Lion, a mighty ruler. Under his rule, the city flourished and saw the construction of magnificent landmarks, such as the Brunswick Cathedral. However, political rivalries and conflicts throughout the centuries took their toll on Brunswick's prosperity. In the 17th and 18th centuries, the city experienced decline and devastation due to the 30 Years' War and subsequent conflicts. But Brunswick rose again in the 19th century with the Industrial Revolution, becoming a hub for manufacturing and innovation. Now let's turn our attention to Lüneburg, a charming town famous for its well-preserved medieval architecture. Dating back over 1,000 years, Lüneburg was once a major center for salt mining in the region. The salt trade brought immense wealth to the town, leading to the construction of magnificent buildings and churches. During the Middle Ages, Lüneburg was a member of the Hanseatic League, an influential trading network in Northern Europe. The town's prosperity continued until the 16th century when salt production declined, and trade routes shifted. Despite economic challenges, Lüneburg managed to preserve its architectural heritage and maintain its unique charm. Today, both Brunswick and Lüneburg stand as reminders of their fascinating histories and continue to attract visitors from around the world. Whether you're interested in medieval architecture, trade history, or simply exploring charming towns, these cities have something for everyone.